So, welcome for the class for beginners. Yesterday we spoke how to manage here your MetaTrader, how to add your symbols, show and hide here, how to set your properties about the chart, right? This is MetaTrader 4. We learn on MetaTrader 5. Like I said, it's almost no difference between them. Just MetaTrader 5 is a newest version of MetaTrader 4. That's the difference. Okay, let me open the MT5. Okay. So, what do we have here? If we trade Forex, you have to know what is the pip, right? So the pip is the fourth digit of the price after the point. So after the point 1, 2, 3, 4, right? This the value of 2 right now is the pip. If we say, for example, 50 pips, this means that the third sign after the point is 5 and the fourth sign is 0, 50 pips. If we speak about 100 pips, so the second digit after the point is 1 and after that there are 0, 0. This is the pip value. So this is for all currency pairs except for the pairs with Japanese yen. The Japanese yen, 1 pip is the second digit after the point. So here you have value as 0. If we speak about 60 pips like now, so this is the first digit after the point is 6 and the next one is 0. If we speak about 100 pips, so the first digit before the point is 1 and the rest are after the point are 0 and 0. So the minimum value to open a position on the Forex market is 0.01 lots. Let me add my tool here. So minimum lot size okay, you understand. Minimum lot size 0.01 lot to open a position. If your account is in US dollars, this means then 1 pip it will be at a value of 10 dollar cents. So 1 pip for with this value, if your trade have 0.01 lot opened as a position. This means that if the price moves, for example, 20 pips, we will say in profit, 20 pips in profit. So you will have 20 pips per 0.10 cents. Equal, how much is that? 2 US dollars. Okay. What else? What's the spread? So the spread, let me again start my tool. What is the spread? So what is happening here? The spread is the difference between the bid and the ask price. So for example, you have bid and ask price. This is the bid price no sorry, this is the ask price. The ask price and the bid price. How you see here, there is a difference of for example of US dollar Japanese yen. There is a difference of 1 pip between the bid and the ask price. When you open a position, you will be immediately on loss, right? It will be immediately on loss with 1 pip if you trade US dollar Japanese yen. So when you open position, your account is on US dollars, you open the minimum lot size 0.01 lot, and your account will be immediately on loss with 10 cents, right? This is the spread. It's difficult to write here. So when you open position to buy, you will use the bid price. This when you buy when you open a trade on buy, you use this price. When you and also when you close it, you use the ask price. If you sell, if you open a position on sell, you use the ask price, and when you close it, you use the bid price because of the spread. Very simple. Do you have any questions? Okay, so let me quit from here. um, Here's the time frames: monthly time frame, weekly time frame, daily, hourly, 30 minutes. So if you this is the maximum zoom right now. This is the minimum zoom. When, for example, you want to open position and see the chart without zooming, you can adjust here by click and drag. You can adjust uh, the view. Click and drag. Yeah, I do not have history here. You can have, for example, this is the other platform I told you. It's the same account history. Here you can, for example, set a custom period and to see your account history. For example, 16 March to now, and there are the open trades for the period, right? Second click. Just you cannot do that because you don't have open positions right now, but I must show you. You can save your report, save as report, save as data report. Okay, save. I'll save it on the desktop. Yeah, okay. And it shows you for the period what's how the positions. It shows you also the chart, shows you the more details about your account. So this is data that can help you to improve your strategy, or just to know how you're moving, right? For example, for the period that I just insert, I have total trades 34 trades, right? This is a demo account, as I just practice another strategy here. Short positions, total. Long position, total. So short positions are selling positions, long positions are buying positions. Profit trades, I have 44%. So I trade 1 to 3, so 44% is a good one. Also 55 on the losses trades. So profitable trades only 44%. If you if you remember what we spoke yesterday, if you trade 1 to 3, you have only 20% chance to win the trend, to win the trade. So I made here 44%, which is very nice. More detailed report, okay, by position and everything. You can see the profit factor here. profit largest profit trade, largest loss rate, average profit rate, average loss rate. So if you trade one to more than one, it should looks like this, with largest loss rate should be less than the largest profit rate, and the average profit rate should be bigger than the average loss rate. So I saw on internet there is some guys who offer management of the accounts. They just redo this the statistics in Paint and post it. If you know something about this percentage here, you will be able to find out that they're just scammers. So Fibonacci levels, I don't think it's necessary to speak about it. Maybe I can speak about some of the indicators. I can speak, for example, you can add this indicator, oscillator. They are divided by two types: trend and trend indicators, and the oscillators. Just the calculation is a little bit different. So oscillator, this is the most useful one, a relative strength index, RSI, period 14, just start it on the chart. So you can find also on internet the overbought, this above 70, the value of 70 of the RSI, you have overbought position. Sorry, it's the market is overbought, so we can expect at some point to reverse the trend or to start a correction, right? And if the value of the RSI is below 30, so the market is in oversell. No. And respectively, if it's a downtrend here in oversell, we can expect that the market will reverse. Why I see your arrow in our sell, and we can expect the market to reverse or to start a correction. So here is the crosshair. You can see, for example, this price. How much is that? How much is this price? How much is this price? Okay. You can also draw here, for example, to see the distance from here to here. There is written the value when you draw it. You can see. You can also, for example, set here horizontal lines and see the values of these points. very basic. So the management of the account is very important. You should not open trades, bigger trades, to risk out of your accounts. There, how you can see, there is mm, just do not exist a trader who can open 100% win trades. There are always losses. And you have to protect your account with stop loss, because maybe to show you maybe to have a very important news on the market, or maybe some big trader player will start trading at this moment, and the price will move in very big range. So you have always to protect your account, and to put your stop loss always. If you want to change, for example, here is the euro US dollar pair, you can click and drag here and you can change it. Also, you can go second click, chart window. Okay, you can drag here. We already set up this window here. If we don't want to do the same things again and again, you can go to, where is it, uh, charts, I think it's here, huh? Yeah, templates, save the template and name it. For example, I will let this name here. So it will be automatically saved to your directory of the MetaTrader account. You can save it elsewhere. Okay, go to the next window, charts, templates, load the template. It will open directly the directory of your account. Just a second. And you can load it here. Okay, can do the same for the next. Load. And so on. So you can drag your trading channels. Let me just find one. Your channel. So what did I say it yesterday? The definition of the trend, it will form higher high and higher lows for the uptrend, right? And for example, this is the channel, but this line is not so important, right? Because it doesn't show anything at all. This is the important one. because here you have a lower low, right? And if this level is breaked, so we can expect a reversal of the price, to reverse the price. Let me draw you an example. 1 second. So we have an uptrend here, for example, and here it's breaking the price, right? And reversing the trend. Maybe also you have, for example, a head and shoulders here. Okay. So I would like to ask you, what do you think? Which level is more sure to start trading? So breaking this price level, breaking this price level, breaking this price level. What do you think it is? 1, 2, or 3? No, no, it's not 1. Because when you, for example, when it breaks here, it can reverse again. Just maybe it reverse for testing, and it can reverse again. But if it breaks again here, so no, reverse here, right? If it breaks again, it's the position is much more secure. And if it's break here a second time, so this is the first lower low, right? The first lower low. Maybe this is just a deep correction, right? Until here. But this is the first lower low one. The second one here, when actually is this one 3. So first lower low, second lower low, and this if it breaks here, it's much more secure that you will get a profit, because this is a confirmation. Here is just deeper correction, right? It makes deeper correction, and here is the confirmation that you will have a downtrend. So when you drag for example trading channels like this one, no, I start with the other two. For you, the important level in uptrend is the lowers. Not to buy. It's reversing the trend. Sell. I showed you an example where the trade from uptrend goes to a downtrend, and at this point, the third point, it's much more secure to enter a sell position, not buy position. Okay, any other questions? Okay, so when you see higher highs and higher lows, right? For you, this level is with importance. This level here do not have such an importance. Maybe you can write the trading channel, right? But if it breaks here, this means that just the trend continue. It's do not show you so much information like the line of breaking some higher low. So I think it's enough for today. If you have any questions, I'm ready to answer you. Okay, so next Saturday at the same time, please send me your homework. Send me your homeworks and next Saturday at the same time. Okay, bye.